Welcome to our decimal fractions lesson where we will be looking at hundredths. A decimal fraction is a common fraction written in its decimal notation, or we can call it a decimal form. Example, 24 hundredths is the same as 0.24. This whole is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 100th. 100th, written as a common fraction, is our numerator 1 over our denominator 100, which in fact tells us that we're considering one part out of a whole divided into 100 parts. Now 100th, written as a decimal fraction, is 0.01. 100ths is two places after the decimal point. We have another whole, and 30 parts out of the 100 equal parts are being considered. 30 hundredths, written as a common fraction, is 30 our numerator over our denominator 100. 30 hundredths, written as a decimal fraction, is 0.30. Again, that 0 in front of the point tells us that we're not looking at a whole. And after the points, we're dealing with fractional parts. So another example, 48 parts out of the whole of 100 equal parts are being considered. 48 hundredths, written as a common fraction, is 48 our numerator over our denominator 100. And 48 hundredths, written as a decimal fraction, is 0.48. So again, 7 parts out of the 100 equal parts are being considered. So therefore, 7 hundredths, written as a common fraction, is our numerator 7 over our denominator 100. And 7 hundredths, written as a decimal fraction, is 0.07. Remembering that hundredths, we always have two places after the decimal point. 15 parts out of the 100 equal parts are being considered. So 15 hundredths, written as a common fraction, is 15 our numerator over our denominator of 100. So therefore 15 hundredths, written as a decimal fraction, is 0.15. So remember, hundredths is two places after the decimal point, where we have a whole that was being divided into 100 equal parts, and whatever is the numerator would be how much is being considered out of that whole that was divided into 100 equal